gonna show you what I had to do. I told y'all this car had been wrecked. I went ahead and put the K member on. I made sure it lined up. Again, I had some issues. Right here was not flat. It had a bend in it, I guess from where it was in a wreck. I tapped it back, and as you see, it is sitting flush. It was kind of bent on the bottom side. Right here, if you can't see this shoddy welding, which don't get me wrong, I ain't the greatest and I damn sure ain't claiming to be the best, but it was just globbed on. So I had to grind it down flat, but as you see, it is on. Braces on. It's pretty much tightened down as it should be. I mean, obviously it needs to be. Anyway, tubular K's on. Gonna go ahead and throw this in there because I'm just gonna put those main parts in there, like I said. The big news is I will be next weekend, the 11th through 11th, 12, 13, 14, the 11th through the 15th, I'm going to be in Odessa, Florida. It's already paid for, motel's paid for. I'm going to the tuning school. Now I know y'all have been wanting to know about the white car and all that stuff, and I kept talking to people about tuning the car, and there were people that wanted to, but then I was like, man, why when I can go invest in myself and have a skill, build off of it, and make it something bigger, you know? Just didn't make any sense to pay somebody in 3 or 4 tunes basically on a dyno, 500 a pop, would pay for my own knowledge. That's what I did. But I've been studying the book and all that good stuff, and it is Ford. It's the beginner's Ford class. Without further ado, this video is gonna be a little chopped and screwed, just being honest. But anyway, I got this one side in. Once I'm done with it, we'll go over. Let's focus on this one. And the battery died. Alright. So, let me give you a rundown right quick. So what I did was I cut a spring off. I cut one coil off because it was just too aggravating trying to get it in. Now I know it might be too short, it might be too low. You mess with the spring rate. I know. I'm not worried about it. They're just to get the car rolling. These are not what's going to be on here. Like I said, this was to get the car rolling today because it has to be moved. And the only way I was going to get myself to do anything was by taking it apart and it not being able to roll. Anyway, cut the spring. I pretty much jacked it up on each one of these. Put the bolt in. Slid it in. I mean, it went in pretty easy with the spring being cut. Just one coil. Anyway, let's go ahead and get over here, finish this. Like I said, my wifey's got things that that she wants me to do. Anyway guys, that's it. Tube's in, spring perch is in. You can see the back. It's kind of monster truckish. I know the fenders ain't on, but I guarantee it's a lot lower. And then when I put the oh wow, them things are still smushy. Well, either way, it's definitely gonna dip in the front with that motor. No biggie. Until next time, thank y'all for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Do Mustang.